In this video, we're going to solve the Death of Wolverine puzzle in Marvel Rivals. To complete this puzzle, the first thing you need to do is gather all the clues. You can do that by clicking on the small shiny stars scattered around the area. Each star reveals a piece of lore, and if you want, you can read through those lore segments for the story. Basically, by clicking the stars and reading the lore segments, you collect the word clues for the puzzle. Once you have collected all the clues, it's time to solve the puzzle. Once you arrange the words properly, the full story is revealed. Here is the completed text. Once everything is ready and all the clues have been collected, we'll move on to the persons of interest. They are, in order, Jubilee, Wolverine, and Bucky. And that's how you complete this puzzle in Marvel Rivals. Check out our other videos to solve the rest of the cases. Thanks for watching.